Are you tired of hunting for truly free text-to-speech converters? Look no further. In just a moment, we'll unveil a treasure trove of platforms that won't ask for your credit card or business email, and you can even download the results. Number 1. Vbee.io. Enjoy 15 minutes of free usage every month. Number 2. Resemble.ai. Get 5 minutes of free text-to-speech magic. Number 3. Cucarella.com. Convert 5,000 characters per month for free. Number 4. Vbee.vn. 3,000 characters per day on the house. Number 5. Create a voice, overages.com. Unleash 50,000 characters for personal use. Did we mention that every audio minute needs just 600-800 characters? But wait, there's more. If you have a business email, elevenlabs.com, speech, synthesis dishes out a whopping 10,000 characters of free audio per email. Need multiple business emails? We've got you covered. And if you're willing to share your credit card details, IBM.com text-to-speech delivers 10,000 characters per month at zero cost. Just remember, stay within the limit to avoid extra charges. Only thoughtfulaitools.com will list out truly 100% free AI tools.